Operation Recover Mr. Bear by Sam Jaffe, Aaliyah El-Gaini, and Lexi Lawson. My mom bought me a brand new teddy bear. I jumped for joy 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I tucked him into bed with me, but when I woke up and stretched, he was gone. I quickly got up. I reached high and looked low for him all over my room. That's when I realized there must be a thief in my house. It was time to start Operation Recover Missing Mr. Bear. I had to start by putting on my spy suit. So put your leg into your spy suit, and then the other leg, then your arm, and then your other arm, and zip it up. And we're ready to look for Mr. Bear. Who could have taken Mr. Bear? I bet it was my older brother playing a joke on me. The coast is clear, so I quietly creep by duck walking in place 360 degrees across the hallway to his room. When I get to his room, there are lasers everywhere. It looks like I'll have to hop and duck 6 times to get through them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I finally made it through to the other side, I hit the big red button to turn all the lasers off. I reached high and squatted low, looking all over his room for Mr. Bear. To my surprise, it's not in there. That only leaves one other suspect, my little brother. I quietly tiptoe in place to his room and pull out my binoculars to see what is going on in there. Use your binoculars to look around. That's when I see him. Mr. Bear has been stolen to have a tea party with my little brother. As I try to conduct a plan on how I will get Mr. Bear back, I get caught. My little brother sees me and invites me to the tea party. It turns out the mission must be aborted. The tea party was really fun. Most importantly, Mr. Bear was safe. I take a deep breath in and out. I'm relieved the mission was a success. As a bonus, my little brother promised to talk to me first before playing with Mr. Bear from now on. The end.